guys, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know what that was. It has been a very long time, probably about a year since I last uploaded, which isn't great. There's been a lot of stuff that's been happening, but I thought to jump right back into it. May notice some things that are different, which is my hair for one, and my teddy bear has changed to my beautiful Olaf. So I love this one so much more, it's very cute. So welcome to the home. I did have a bear and just didn't want it anymore. So I've now got this from my brother, so thank you very much. So he sits proudly here, our little mascot. So I just thought to hop back into it. I was going to do a short hair routine, but I literally washed my hair yesterday. So I could have done that yesterday, but I didn't, as you can tell. But I did go into Superdrug. So I went to Superdrug. This bag is so heavy. I needed some stuff, so I thought I may as well just show you guys what I got from Superdrug, talk about it, tell you the prices because I have the receipt. And it was probably nearly £100, but oh well. I needed the stuff. So without further ado, my name's Alysha Kaur and I hope you enjoy this video. So on this receipt, let's just try and pick out what we've got first and then go through that. So I picked up the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Mattifying Long Wear Makeup Spray. It says it's 16 hour. I haven't got a makeup spray and I just thought I needed something. I've never used this before, but we'll see how well this does. I'm just trying to see on the receipt how much this was. I think £8. So hopefully it does what it says on the tin. So it says Infinite Hold Long Wear Fixing Spray will set your makeup in place for a flawless matte finish. For better results, close your eyes, hold 20 centimeters away from the face and spray. So may as well spray it. So it's actually really cute packaging. Rose gold, obviously my favourite, as you know. I have many rings which are rose gold. Just give it a little bit of a shake. 20 centimeters probably like here. I always feel like, oh wow, it smells really nice. I don't know why people ring and just don't leave a message, but anyway. I like that. It's kind of like a florally smell. Usually with sprays, they are quite alcoholic. I had I think it's an Urban Decay 24-hour one. And I don't know, like it was good, but I feel like this is cheaper for one. And yeah, it seems to say what it does on the tin, but we shall see. The next thing I have got is Bear With Me Concealer Serum. I thought this would be different because I have run out of my contour, which I got from Missguided like probably a year ago, which is annoying, but that's probably my favourite. And I tried to get it, no, it's not Missguided, it's Revolution. I tried to get something different, but because so many people change their packaging or they just don't have anything in a dark colour that I need, I thought to use this. It does have a pump on it, but hopefully it does the job. I know it's supposed to conceal, but I guess the formula would still work as a contour. I'm just trying to find out how much this was, but I can't seem to find it, which means, have I paid? I hopefully have. I'm trying to, this is NYX. Oh, £11. So this was the most expensive one. Next thing is the Revolution Soap Styler. So this is £6. So again, like nothing is like really pricey. It's just one of those things that I can't even get into the bag. There we go. So my eyebrows aren't done. So I just wanted something that was easier for me to travel with. Oh, this is quite cute. So comes in again rose gold. Love the rose gold packaging. Oh. It comes with a little brush, which is quite hard actually. I don't know if I should do my eyebrows now because I have actually just already done my makeup, so there's no point, but I'll probably do a makeup tutorial soon because there's a lot of products that has, oh god, I nearly broke it then. There has been a lot of products that I've changed within my time of being out of YouTube. There's a lot of products that I've not liked or just not used anymore, so if you want to see that then comment below. Next thing, it's like a goodie bag. Here we go. So I'll talk about these three because they're very similar. Is the Revolution, well, these ones are different compared to this one. So I wanted to get the Revolution Pout Bomb. So it's lip plumping gloss with vitamin E, and I just thought it's a lot cheaper than Rihanna. So Rihanna does have one, which at the moment I can afford it, but I just feel like I'd rather go on a splurge in Manchester on my birthday rather than doing it now. Sounds weird, but that's just me. So these ones are different. So this one is the Revolution Juicy Bomb. So this is with cherry, raspberry and jojoba oil in coconut, and this one's Juicy Bomb grapefruit with raspberry and a jojoba oil. I hope I'm saying that right. It looks like jojoba, but I think you do pronounce it jojoba oil.
Jojoba.
I think again this was £5, and I've heard quite a lot of good reviews from it. I was gonna get this from Cult Beauty or Beauty Bay, but I thought if I'm in town, no point paying postage, I may as well get it from here. So hopefully these are really good. Again, if you guys want to see me use all of these products or some of these, then comment below. But yeah, I'm really excited to use them. The next thing is more hair care. So if you didn't know, I have naturally curly hair. I think my hair is like 3A. So my hair actually is quite coily when I do look after it. If you haven't noticed, obviously like I did say, I think that's it. Yep, beautiful. So if you didn't notice, I've actually been using a different hairdryer. So I think it's Rimmel. If it's not Rimmel, then I do apologise, but I'll use that in another tutorial. But I love my hair like this, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Frizz Killer Serum. So it smooths and tames up to 230 degrees protection, and I feel like I need this because I haven't been using anything to control my hair, which is really bad. This one is, I'm trying to think where it would be. Oh, $7.99. So this has got keratin, cocoa butter, silicone free for a natural touch, non-greasy, tames static and frizz. Use 1 to 2 pumps on damp hair or before blow drying. Once dry, use your straightener to enhance your sleek look. But yeah, I thought this would be nice. Obviously not for curly hair, this would be more for when I have my hair like this. So I usually use a tiny pea size amount and just put it on. But it smells really nice. I actually smelt it in the store. Obviously I used the same one that I bought, so don't worry. So yeah, I thought what a great way to like make your hair very tame but also smell really good. So I actually found these guys. They're called I'm Boo. So I used to actually use Cantu. I don't know why, but Cantu is very thick on my hair. I don't know if it's my type of hair or I shouldn't be using it, but I really just don't like the feel of it in my hair. I have got quite a few of Cantu products that I used in the past and it just doesn't work. It's too thick and I just feel it just really does not work for my hair. So I actually found this brand on This Morning when I was watching it. Alison Hammond actually said it was really good, and it's suitable for all curl types, so if you've got coily hair down to like wavy hair, it's perfect. So I use the condition and the shampoo. So one's a cleanse and one's a condition, obviously. So the cleanser, I do use probably like a size of maybe a 10-piece coin sometimes, but I do lather and rinse twice, and then I use this conditioner. I put it in my hair, I kind of tie it up, do what I need to do, and the thing is, when I do wash it out, I have to put my hair back up, so I scrub my back, because what a lot of people might not know is if you have acne and if you suffer like really bad acne like myself, what you do need to do is scrub your back properly, because conditioner is very thick and it might leave residue on your back. But I cannot complain about these products. They're so lightweight, but they really help my hair. If you do want to see a curly hair tutorial, because I haven't done one in, well, I don't think I've done one on this channel ever. I did one many years ago on my very old channel, but I would love to show you guys how I style my hair. So yeah, this is I'm Boo. I absolutely love them. And what I did get also is their curl defying heat mist protection. They do have different like numbers to what you should do, so I've got 1, 2 and 4. The third one I think is a heat protecting mask, but I think there's just too many steps towards what I need to do for my own hair, so I don't really use that. But the curl defending heat protection mist is alcohol free, smooth and shine, and it's got jojoba as well and coconut. So I'm really excited to use this, and I feel if you do want a tutorial then absolutely fine, I can't wait to. But I love the packaging of these, and I love the colouring, I love how simplistic it is. But yeah, this is probably one of the best brands I've ever used. I'm not sure if they're a very small brand, but I'll link all of their stuff and the links to all of these products down below. I haven't told you how much they are, which I will do now. So the shampoo is $8.99, conditioner is $8.99, and the spray is I don't think she scanned the spray. Oh no, she did. I was going to say, that's $7.99. So the L'Oreal Paris one, oil milk, is $7.99. So they're all like similar prices. It is kind of like an £80 shop, but oh well. I do have my, I was going to say Starbucks card. I do have my Superdrug card, so it's absolutely perfect. Another thing that I did get was Eco Style Gel. Again, absolutely love this brand. I wear quite a lot of the Lullabells braids, hair, ponies, so I wanted something that would help me. I know there is a influencer that uses these, quite a lot of people obviously, but this was the first time that I saw an influencer using them which has similar hair to me, because the Cantu one seems a lot strong. Well, the Cantu one is very thick, but it never holds my hair down and I don't really like it. So I guess it's good for like a slick back bun, but when I'm trying to do a high pony, I feel like Eco would help me, so as well with my edges. So if you want to see a tutorial on that, absolutely fine, I'm more than happy to. But I know a lot of people use this styling gel, and I feel like it would be a lot easier for me to use this. I'm not sure why the Cantu one doesn't work, but it just doesn't work for my hair type. And after all of that spending, they gave me biodegradable cleansing facial wipes, which was very nice. So the products that were on here were 3 for 2, so that was really nice of them. So I got a little bit of a discount, which was I think £12. So yeah, all of that together came up to £75.04. If you want to see the receipt. I don't know what's going on outside. Oh, bin men. I was going to say. I was like, what is that noise? But yeah, I hope you liked my little haul, and if you did, then please like and comment, and also subscribe. I will be putting up new videos every week. So if you want to see a makeup tutorial, if you want me to try out something new, then let me know in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, and hopefully this will be one of many videos. And yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.